Let's make the crank knob. New standard part. Start 2D sketch. This time I'm actually going to use a revolve just for fun. So a revolve is so basically you make like a sketch, and then instead of extruding it straight out, you revolve it, and it's good for making cylindrical parts. So here's what we're going to do for this one. So for this one, what we're going to do is basically make this cross section here, and then we're going to revolve it around. So what it basically looks like is, and I'm going to add the hole in later, so I'm just going to make the solid part right now. So I'm just going to make a line, and it looks like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's make the diameters. So what we're actually doing is making the radius now, because when you revolve it, it's going to go 360 degrees around, and we're just dimensioning half of the diameter. So we're actually only doing 0.5 inches. And then we're doing 0.625 inches divided by 2 for the other diameter. And then we're going to do the whole length, 0.75. And then we're going to do the length of this part, 0.4375. And it's fully constrained, so hit OK. Now you're going to do revolve instead of extrude. So it already found the profile. The next thing it wants to know is the axis. What axis should it revolve around? Well, do we want this one? No. Do we want this one? No. We want this one. So it revolves that sketch around that axis, and it gets you what looks like the crank knob. Next thing we're going to do is put in the hole. This is a counterbore hole, and these counterbore holes are used to hide the heads of screws. So click on the face there, and we'll add our dimensions. It's a 0.25 inch through with a counterbore of 0.375 inches to a depth of 0.375 inches. So the counterbore is 0.375 inches in diameter, goes down 0.375, and then the through hole is 0.25. Our placement, let's make this one concentric. Oh, we have to choose the plane again. Okay. And then concentric reference, so like this circle or this face, and it'll go right in the middle of it. And there we have it. That's your crank knob. Make sure to save.